Good morning, children. In this video, we are going to discuss the beneficial and harmful activities of fungi. Fungi has both beneficial as well as harmful activities that we are going to discuss in this video. First of all, we are going to focus the beneficial activities of fungi. So, under the beneficial activity, the first one is food. Fungi provide the delicious and nutritious food called mushrooms. Mushrooms like Latinus edodus, Agaricus bisporus, Volvarilla volvaceae are consumed for their high nutritive value because they have a high nutrition. Yeast providing the vitamin B and Erythrothecium asvaei is a rich source of vitamin B12. So the fungi provide the highly nutritious food for us. Next to the food, fungi is widely used in the medicine. Fungi is used to produce the antibiotic. Antibiotic means it will arrest the growth of the other microorganism like bacteria. Antibiotic will destroy the growth of the bacteria. Some of the antibiotics produced by the fungi, that is the penicillin antibiotic, is prepared from the fungi called Penicillium notatum. Cephalosporin antibiotic is prepared from the fungi Acromonium chrysogenum. Graisofulvin is an antibiotic that was prepared from the Penicillium graisofulvi. Ergot alkaloid, that is the ergotamine, that is produced from the fungi Claviceps purpurea, that was used as a vasoconstrictor in the medicine. Vasoconstriction, that means vaso means blood vessel, constriction means surukudal. So blood vessel dilate ஆயிருந்துச்சுன்னா using this ergotamine we can constrict the dilate ஆன blood vessel constrict பண்றதுக்கு ergotamine is used in the medicine field. Fungi are widely used in the production of organic acid. The commercial organic acids like citric acid, gluconic acids are produced by some of the fungi. Citric acid and gluconic acid is produced from the Aspergillus niger. Itaconic acid is produced from Aspergillus terreus. Gojic acid is produced from Aspergillus oryza. So many commercial production of organic acid by means of fungi in the industries. Yeast is widely used for the bakery and brewery industries. Saccharomyces cerevisiae, that is otherwise called as yeast, is used for the fermentation of sugars and it to yield the alcohol. So it is widely used in the breweries, and bakeries utilize the yeast for the production of bakery products like bread, bun, rolls like that. Apart from yeast, Penicillium roqueforti and Penicillium camemberti were used for the cheese production. So many fungi are used for the industries like bakery industry, brewery industries and dairy industries also. Some of the fungi are used for producing some enzymes, important enzymes like amylase, protease like that. Aspergillus oryza and Aspergillus niger were employed for the production of enzymes like amylase, protease and lactase. Mucor type of species, the fungi named mucor, is used for the production of the enzyme called rennet, which is help in the coagulation of the milk for the cheese manufacturing industries. So these are the important fungi used for the production of enzymes. Fungi recycle the minerals by decompose the dead plants and animals, thereby it is adding the fertility of the soil. Mycorrhiza means the association, symbiotic association between the fungal mycelium and roots of the plant, that is called as a mycorrhiza. Mycorrhizal forming fungi like Rhizotonia, Phallus, Scleroderma. So these are the fungi will associate the some of the roots of the plant and it helps in the absorption of water and minerals. These fungi attach the plant ஓட ரூட்டில் அட்டாச் ஆகிட்டு பிளான்ட் வந்து வாட்டர் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் மினரல்ஸ் அப்சர்வ் பண்ணுறதுக்கும் இட் வில் ஹெல்பிங். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் கால்ட் mycorrhiza, the symbiotic association of the fungal mycelium, fungi and roots of the plant. Some of the fungi like Beauveria bassiana, Metorrhizum anisophilae They're used as a biopesticide. ஸோ பிளான்ட் நம்ம கல்டிவேட் பண்ணியிருக்க அந்த க்ராப்புக்கு பெஸ்ட்டாக வர சம் ஆஃப் த இன்செக்ட்ஸ், கிராஸ் சூப்பர் லைக் த இன்செக்ட்ஸை எராடிகேட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு தீஸ் ஆர் த ஃபங்கை தேர் ஹெல்ப். ஸோ திஸ் ஃபங்கை Bevaria, Bassiana, Metorrhizum, Anisophilia is called as a entomopathogenic fungi. So insects க்கு disease cause பண்ணக்கூடிய this fungi. It is not pathogenic to human. ஸோ நம்ம கல்டிவேட் பண்ணியிருக்க க்ராப்பில் ஏதாவது இன்செக்ட் வந்து பெஸ்ட்டாக ஆக்ட் பண்ணுது, நம்ம கல்டிவேட் பண்ண க்ராப்பை வந்து நமக்கு எராடிகேட் பண்ணுது அப்படின்னா அந்த இன்செக்ட்ஸை கில் பண்ணுறதுக்கு we are using this fungi. Then gibberellin is produced by the fungi called Gibberella fujicore. So it induces the plant growth. Plant-ஓட growth-ஐ promote பண்ணுறதுக்கு they are helping. So these are the beneficial activities of fungi. So we discussed about the agriculture, production of enzymes, production of organic acid, bakery and brewery industries, in medicine and in food. So these are the beneficial activities of fungi. Now we are going to focus the harmful activities of fungi. So many fungi can cause the disease in human beings, plants and animals. Some of the fungi they can produce the toxins. Some of them will spoil the food products. So we are going to discuss the harmful activities of fungi. Amanita phalloides, Amanita verna, Boletus satanus are highly poisonous fungi because they are producing the toxin. So they are commonly called as the toadstools. Aspergillus, Rhizopus, Mucor and Penicillium. So these are the fungi, they can spoil the food materials. Aspergillus flavus is the fungi, they produce the toxin substance that is called as the aflatoxin. That is the carcinogenic. Carcinogenic means they can cause cancer. Cancer cause பண்ணக்கூடிய ability இருக்கிற டாக்ஸினை ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ணுது aflatoxin. Patulin, Ochrotoxin A are some of the toxins produced by the fungi. So many fungi they are involving in the spoilage of the food materials by producing some toxins. Carcinogenic toxin also is produced by the Aspergillus flavus, that is called aflatoxin. So these are the harmful activities of the fungi. Now we are going to focus the disease caused by fungi. Fungi can cause the disease in human beings and plants. First we are going to focus the plant diseases. Blast of Bari. The causative organism is Magnophorti griseum. The next disease is red rot of sugarcane. It was caused by the Calectotrichum falcatum. The third one is the anthracnose of beans. Calectotrichum lindimutanium. White rust of crucifer was caused by Albuco candida. Peach leaf curl was caused by Tafarina deformans. Rust of wheat is caused by the Puccinia graminis triticum. This is the picture of blast of paddy. The paddy plant is affected by the Magnophorti grisea. So this is commonly called as this fungi is commonly called as a rice blast fungi. The lessons can be seen in all the parts of the plant like a leaves, stem, peduncle, panicles, seed and even in roots. So the lessons we can see that all the parts of the plant. The next one is a red rot of sugarcane. Red rot is a very serious disease of sugarcane. The symptom of the disease is a reddening of the internal internodal with cross bars of white patches in the reddened area. This red color is caused by the dye which is secreted by the host and it is antagonistic to the red rot of fungi. So the affect பண்ணிருக்க fungi-க்கு against, antagonistic in the sense against, sugarcane plant is producing the dye and the dye produce பண்ணுறது தான் red color. So this is a red rot of sugarcane. Anthracnose of bean is caused by the fungus Calectotrichum lindimuthinum. Is a major disease of beans causing serious crop loss in many parts of the world. Discoloration appears on the upper leaf surface, pod, small reddish brown to black blemishes in the circular reddish brown lessons are the typical symptoms of this disease. White rust of crucifers. White rust is a disease in plants caused by the Oomycetes albicocandida. The plants susceptible to this disease or generally include the members of the family Brassica, that is cruciferous crops. Cruciferous crops in the sense cauliflower, cabbage, broccoli, most commonly radish, mustard, turnip. Symptoms like the chlorotic or necrotic spots on the upper leaves. Chlorotic spot in the sense chlorophyll will present, necrotic spot in the sense chlorophyll will absent. Pus formation in the stem and floral parts. So these are the symptoms of the white rust of crucifers. Peach leaf curl is a plant disease characterized by the distortion and coloration of the leaves and is caused by the fungus Taphrina deformans, so which infects the peach and almond trees. See the picture, the leaves of changing the color changes occurs in the peach plant. Rust of wheat is a fungal disease. It was caused by the Puccinia graminis triticum that affects the wheat, barley and rice stems, leaf and grains. The blight disease of potato is caused by the Phytophthora infestans. It causes the millions of deaths in Ireland. In India, the fungi Helminthosporium oryza causes the disease blight of paddy. Is also a factor for the Bengal famine in the year 1942 to 43. Thus, these are the important plant diseases caused by the fungi. Now we are going to focus the human diseases caused by fungi. The first one is athlete's foot. It was caused by Epidermophyton flocosum. Candidiasis is caused by Candida albicans. Coccidiomycosis is caused by Coccidiosis imitatus. Aspergillosis is caused by Aspergillus fumigatus. Athlete's foot symptoms include the scaly rash that usually causes the itching, stinging and burning sensation. People with athlete's foot can have a moist raw skin between the toes. So these are the symptoms of athlete's foot. You can able to notice the scaly skin. The skins become sedil mari irukum. It was caused by Epidermophyton flocosum. This is candidiasis. Candida is normally lives on the skin and inside the body, the places such as mouth, throat, gut and vagina. The symptoms include the white patches on the tongue, soreness and problems of swallowing. It was caused by the fungi called Candida albicans. This is a coccidioidomycosis disease. It was caused by Coccidioides immitis. That fungi is found in the soil and causes the infection when it will be inhaled. People with the suppressed immune system is particularly at risk. Immune system problem இருக்கிறவங்களுக்கு easy affect ஆகும். The initial form is mild, but in severe the symptoms include the fever, coughing, chillness, chest pain. So these are the symptoms of this disease. Aspergillosis, it was caused by Aspergillus fumigatus. Aspergillosis infection is usually affect the respiratory system. The symptoms include the fever, chest pain, cough, coughing with blood, shortness of breath. At severe stage, it spreads from the lungs to the other organs like a heart, brain, kidney through the bloodstream. Thus, these are the disease caused by fungi in human and plants, and these are the harmful activities of fungi. Thank you.